Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Tuesday, October the 8th, 2013. Looking again at the NASDAQ chart. This is the one we talked about yesterday. I told you we had the sell signal here, and then, of course, you just want confirmation what you got first thing this morning. Lower low than you had seen here. So that was a sell opportunity. You took advantage of that. You're now quite happy with this move that we've seen to the downside here. And this candlestick formation is what we're going to be looking at. Whenever you see that start to break down, you want to look at the candlestick formation and say a couple different things. Number one, what is the size of it? How big is that candlestick from top to bottom? And you can see that this one is very large compared to anything you've seen before. That means volatility is increasing. Obviously, in this case, it's to the downside. And then you want to look at the bottom of it and ask yourself, do we have any kind of, I'm looking at the bottom this time because we're looking at a downward move. You want to look at the bottom of this and say, do you have any kind of a wick coming out of the bottom that would show some kind of buy pressure? In this case, of course, you do not have that. So what we have is the strongest candlestick possible, showing complete sell pressure here. This is, of course, due to the government shutdown, which we do not know how long that will continue. But looking at this chart, it would indicate that they expect it to continue to tomorrow as well. And so we can say that we look for this to continue to break down and go lower. That means price activity will be trading below this 50-period moving average right here. And we know that is a bearish condition when that happens. So this is something to pay attention to. Coming down to it and bouncing off of it is still in the bullish form, and coming down to it and closing below it would be, of course, bearish. And at that point in time, you want to think in a bearish strategy. You already have a series of low point here, lower low here, and then we're looking at any kind of a bounce scenario. And if that doesn't come up here and take out this high, it would just be confirmation of a downward trend. At that point in time, we'd be looking at this like so. And we would say that at that point in time, it would be a bear, and you'd be selling at or above the 50-period moving average. That means even now you could be selling this guy and looking for this to continue to move and break to the downside. If you've not been to the free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free, and all we ask in return, please refer a friend. If you're looking for my personal nightly market analysis charts, global markets, there's like 22 of them going around the globe. The short-term, 3-month daily, and 2-year weekly, you can simply go here to the market charts section of that website, and you'll find them there. They're updated nightly, okay? God bless, take care, and see you in the next one. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.